And to create cost transactions, we can use those default values that are on the first row. Those will allow us to copy the values on all the rest of the lines that are empty. And also can use the forms. If you see right away, create the create on the expenditure upload items, expenditure items upload. And then in this form, I could start completing the data that I want to be on that Excel spreadsheet for that specific line. Then if I have any list of value, like in this case, the business unit, the transaction source, the document entry, that are list of values from Oracle, because I am connected directly to the application, I will be able to see the list of values that are there. I can also search, like for example, in this case, if I want to see only the ones that are Fusion, the tool will show me them when I press that search, and then will only show me those values there. Then if I say, okay, I could keep completing my data. Now, options that I will have there to enter the data are through a copy-paste. Like I could just copy-paste from this same spreadsheet or from another Excel spreadsheet. I could use formulas. Like, for example, in this case, I'm using a date formula, like the today, and that totally works. Also, I can bring data, again, doing a copy-paste or using a formula, using a lookup table, using like a CSV file, etc. You can put this data in any way here, and then also if you need to use any formula, that will work as well. Now, I can even replicate the data. Like for example, if I'm going to use exactly the same transaction because it's a timesheet or something like that, I could just start changing the values, like again, using, for example, a formula. Like if I want to be like each line 10% more than the previous one, I can do that as well. Then I can use that for the quantity or for the cost, etc. In this case, you can keep going, like you can use rounding or not. At the end of the day, in this example, I will just keep it simple. I will delete all of those that have like too much decimals, because I don't want to have an error there at this point. And then if I go and I say upload, you see that I'm not putting anything on that create transaction. I will say upload all. And let me delete the first one there. Then when I say upload all, that is not going to be there. And then I say upload all. And then the tool will start validating. I can just go and keep working somewhere in my spreadsheet. And if it's any error, the tool will tell me clearly what is the error, and what is happening there. Then if you see in this case, the document entry and the document, they are having an issue. For that transaction source, that document doesn't exist. Probably need to be corrected. I can go and look at those lists of values live. Then I will see that exists there. No, I don't have any data there. And then I will see if I have any other value. Similar things that you will do in Oracle, that you will be looking for those stuff there. I don't have anything. Then I will go and change my transaction source, because I think that is a problem. And in this transaction source, I will use now the external miscellaneous. And then now I have my miscellaneous that I was trying to use. And that is what I will keep there. Now, do I need to put this information in every single line? Not at all. Like, you can use those default values for any place on the spreadsheet. And then that makes it super simple when you need to enter data. And then I will just copy and copy that at the moment of the upload. I will leave this empty. Then the tool will take care to populate those values there. Now, very simple. Again, upload all, and then they will be all uploaded to the Oracle environment. If you see there, it's uploading all the batch. If I have multiple batch, also I can put all those different batches on the spreadsheet. It's not a problem at all. And then when it's complete, will just tell me, okay, it's complete, done. I don't have any error. Now, can I download this data back on the spreadsheet if I need to make any corrections? Yes, and I will show you in a different video how to do that. But to do the download here, it's very simple. You can use the form, so now you can just put the data on the spreadsheet. And then it's telling me that download 25 records. And if you see there is how I will create a cost transaction, and also how can I download those cost transactions before they are imported to Oracle.